Hello, it's Tommy Stewart. Let me get this lighting sorted out a little bit. I always feel as though I appear like a ghost in these reviews, and one of these days I'll get a decent camera. Anyway, today I'm talking about Shockwave Profits Review, and I haven't got a lot of words to say about this because there isn't much to say really. It's very short and very brief, and it's very simple really, because it's a quick profit idea put together by a chap called Bill Hucknall and a few of his friends, and it's out on the 14th of March at a price of $7.95, which is very, very, very cheap. Anyway, the fact of the matter is I've put together a website about this. I'm going to put it up on the screen in a minute, let you have a look at it. The people who have put this software together have put two bonuses in there for you. I've got to say that I've put 4 bonuses together, which are very nice bonuses. But as an extra bit, I've also put together 100 ebooks, which is a cracking extra bonus to you, because in the 100 ebooks it tells you everything there is to know about working on the internet from beginning to the end. And this will be good for you yourself to refer to, but moreover, if you want to try and build your list a bit, you could advertise this ebook for sale for £2.50, and it would make all your list building free of charge then, because every time you get a new email you get £2.50. No matter if it costs you $1 to find it, you get $2.50, and every time you find a new email, so you're in profit $1.50, and you've got the email as well. Anyway, there you are. If you look below, you will see this list. You can refer to it yourself whenever you want to. Now let's see if I can bring up this list that I want to show you. Right, this web address. Let me see now. Here we go. This is it. Shockwave Profits. Be ready to be shocked with pleasurable excitement. Okay. We are revealing a unique $125 a day method from our partner Eric Kadji. And also Bill Hucknall, and I think there's one more somewhere. Results come fast with this method within 24 hours. There's nothing complicated. 100% traffic free. This system can get anyone making sales right away. No list required to do this, no product needed, no product launching, no solo ads, no video creation, no techie stuff, nothing. So, very simple really. And so this is telling you all about what I've just said. Sneak view as to what's inside this powerful 125 day a page system. Powerful. Full A to Z overview of the method, so you can now hit the ground running as soon as today. How to set up your very first Shockwave Profits campaign, it tells you that. The exact steps to take to get started, results within 48 hours, step-by-step training, how to set up everything, every option, every step. And if you order today, we'll also include 2 bonuses. The 2 bonuses are here. The 24-hour quick start formula, $97 that would have cost you. Getting it for nothing now. It's perfect. This is perfect for those who want to get in the green and profit ASAP. Profit bonus number 2. Automation software. Automation is the key if you want passive income. And then they have the Shockwave Profit Funnel. $27 OTO1, $17 OTO2. There's no point in me ranting on about these and telling you all about them, because you can read them nice and casually later on to your heart's content. This yellow strip here, if you click on that, you get the bonuses and you get to purchase this piece of software straight away. My bonus, here's number 1. The best work from home jobs for a career and life you love. 1. Number 2, earn up to $100 a day watching videos. Number 3, ClickBank for beginners, how to make money on ClickBank for free, step by step. And number 4, Amazon $15 hourly work from home, available now. And here you are, my little bit of extra for you. 100 internet marketing ebooks with full resale rights. Fabulous, fabulous value. That alone is worth more than all the 6 bonuses, in my opinion. But that's down to you to make up your mind yourself. So there you go. When you go into my when you go into this website later on, like I say, if you click below, you bring this website which I put together up again, and you can go through there and read to your heart's content. I think that's all I've got to say about this. It's really, really, really not mind-blowing science. Simple for you to get to understand. I'm going to leave you with that. And, I hope you're very, very successful.